Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading info man, and this is a really important update because this is the price prediction for February 2022. I will check for you what is the next possible scenario for Bitcoin in the next months. I will show you the next targets, I will show you the next stop loss position maybe, and what's going on in the next month with Bitcoin. This is really important, believe me guys, it's a really nice update, you have to watch it. Let's go, let's start this analysis. So here we are, this is CoinMarketCap. A quick overview before we start our analysis. What's going on today with Bitcoin and our coins? We have 17,198 coins in the market, amazing. And you can see the most coins are green, that's really nice. Bitcoin is going up in 24 hours 2.25% and in 7 days 6.43%. Ethereum is going up also 5.5%. In the day it's going up more as Bitcoin, but it's going not so much to the upside. In 7 days 3.2%. Most coins are going up really nice. The Binance coin 11.6% in the week. ADA Cardano is going up nice. Solana is going up 6%. XRP 2%. That Dogecoin is going up really nice 1.4%, but Terra Luna is going down a little bit 7.8% in the week. Okay, Polkadot up, Avalanche up. Let me check. Polygon is going up really nice. Avalanche with 15.39% in the plus. Polygon Matic 11%. Shiba Inu 14.8% plus in the week. Crypto.com 23% plus in the week. That's nice. We have a nice picture here. Let's check where's IOTA. What's going on with IOTA? XLM is going up really nice. Okay. And IOTA is place number 47. And it's going up with 7.18% in the week and with 3.88% on 24 hours. But we are still under $1. I will make a next IOTA update soon, guys, because we have some important stuff to watch. But this is now the Bitcoin update. Bitcoin dominance is going up to 41.7%, Ethereum 17.7%. We can see the Bitcoin dominance is growing. It's better to trade Bitcoin as the altcoins because we have a nice picture now to the upside. This is the daily time frame for the market cap dominance. And on this chart picture, we can see a nice upgoing Bitcoin dominance. It's better to check it in the 1-day chart. And we can see now, guys, I told you this attention, we have a target about 43%. We are now perfectly on this target, 43%. It was a better time to trade Bitcoin in this time frame here because we saw a nice upgoing market cap dominance for Bitcoin. Now the big question is, can we break out over this red line? Can we break out over the 43%? And can we break out over the next one, the 0.786 Fibonacci at 43.6%? So what is this one? This is fear and greed, and it's telling us we have still extreme fear in the market, but we are growing with the points. You can see it last week we had extreme fear in the market with 13 points. Now we have 24 points. So what is going on with coin 360? Let me check it. Let me refresh it. So we have a nice clear picture of our coins. Quick overview. A lot of green here in the market. Luna is going down really hard. ADA, Doge, XRP is going down a little bit. We have to refresh it. What's going on here? Sorry guys. One more. Okay, that's it now. Okay, Luna is going down. Yes, ADA, XRP, Doge is going down a little bit, not so much. And we have some nice green coins. Matic is going up. Crow is going up. Algo is going up really nice. EOS, Neo, Stack is going up to the upside. Okay, these coins are really going up really nice. Bitcoin is going up also 2.3% for the moment here. Ethereum is going up 3% for the moment. Nice. A nice green picture. That's nice. What's telling us? TradingView. Yes. TradingView is telling us on 15 minutes we should buy Bitcoin, the little time frame, and maybe this one will predict us the future. Let me show you. 30 minutes strong by 1 hour, strong by 2 hour, buy Bitcoin, 4 hour, buy Bitcoin, 1 day, sell Bitcoin on the 1 day, strong sell are telling us moving averages, oscillators buy. The week is neutral. That's interesting. So we can't predict the future, and the month is also neutral. So yes, we are, in my opinion, on a big point. We will see here a big position and a big decision maybe really soon. I will show you this in the analysis. TradingView is not helping us with the months or the week, but it is helping us with a 30-minute time frame and with the little trades, and we will check this also now. So now let's move on, and that's one of the biggest points for the moment to watch, because we will like to make a forecast for February, and the Bitcoin price prediction from CoinCodex is showing us this picture maybe for the next week. So what can we see? We can see a little up and down and a sideways going Bitcoin maybe in the next week. We can see maybe here a price. Let me check. Maybe we are going down a little bit more on 37,000, back 38,500, down again 37, and maybe at the end of the week 38,600. This is telling us the price prediction. Extreme fear, neutral sentiment. Yes, we can see it, and we can see we are here with the sentiment 50% bullish and 50% bearish. This is a neutral sentiment, okay? And if you're watching these indicators, we have here a neutral. And if you're watching the support points to the downside, 36,600, 35,500, and the biggest support, 34,900. To the upside, 38,400, 39,000, and 40,100 is the biggest resistance to the upside. And if we are checking the next 7 days, we will see a picture like this one here. Maybe a little up, a little down, and maybe until the end of the next week, 41,000, okay? This is a big stuff we must watch. Guys, remember, CoinCodex is always showing us not the news or not the future news, that's showing us what's going on for the moment with the indicators. First of all, guys, let's watch this one. This is the symmetric triangle from Skyrex Trading. And this one is the same as I draw here on my picture. I found this today, and it's really nice because he's telling us from January the 21st, starting this triangle, he's telling us if we will break out to the upside, we may see a next nice move to the upside. If we will see a breakout here to the upside and a trap here, a stop loss hunting here, we may go down again, and maybe we see a negative manipulation scenario. So for the moment, we see here a positive scenario. For the moment, we saw a breakout of this triangle, a little retest of the triangle, and then a nice move to the upside. So this is showing us maybe we will see a nice next price target in the next months, and maybe we'll go up here to 43,000, 44,000, and up to the moon maybe. So, okay, this is telling us here Skyrex Trading with this picture. We need to watch. For the moment, I'm not sure if this is a false breakout, yes or no, because we have some time. We have here maybe until the monthly close, 1 day and some hours here to close this monthly candle. So maybe this is until the end of the week, a little trap to the upside, and after this, a big dump to the downside. We need to watch this, guys. It's really important here on this point. But this is only one picture from Skyrex Trading. I have some other news here for you where we can check what's going on maybe for Bitcoin in the next months. And I promised you guys we will see here the future for Bitcoin in February. So let's move on here. So this is back again to CoinCodex, and yes, we can see here CoinCodex is maybe also telling us we will not go down here under the triangle, we will stay over the triangle, maybe a little sideways the next days, and after this the pump with 8% to 41,000 February the 5th. Okay, this is positive, so maybe also CoinCodex is telling us no, we will not go down under this triangle, guys. We have to check it. So now let's start the analysis. This is a 4-hour time frame. A lot of artwork here. It's looking like a nice NFT. We can sell it with for 3 Ethereum. I think that's a nice NFT. No, guys, without the joke here, this is our multicolored Bollinger Band. What can we see here? We can see we are consolidating for the moment, and we are in a yellow phase here. That's the 4-hour time frame, and yes, we can see it is yellow, but dangerous. Look at this one. We also saw a consolidation phase here on this point here, January the 19th, the 20th. After this, bam, a big downtrend and a big dump to the downside. Now the same picture, maybe we can see here orange with some red stuff here, yellow with red stuff here, and now the big question is, guys, can we go up more and more? Will we see maybe a turquoise or a green color, or will we also go down as here for about a week here? That's the big question. Yes, it's a consolidating phase. Yes, we're going up to the upside a little bit, but it's really dangerous because it's possible to go down more and more here. So let's zoom in. This is the picture, my last picture from yesterday. I showed you guys yesterday, attention. Let's remove some stuff here. We are building here a triangle, and if we can see a nice breakout of the triangle to the upside, we have some nice targets. And yes, we broke out to the upside this triangle. We made some confirmed closing candles in the 4-hour time frame. Now we have some unsure candles, but yes, we are over this triangle, and we are still in this nice little uptrend in the 4-hour time frame. So we can remove this stuff from the downside. We can remove the bearish scenario for the moment because we are not breaking out to the downside for the moment. We are breaking out to the upside here from this point. And if we are watching this one, you can see it. Yes, that's the same picture here. We broke out to the upside, retested the triangle, and we are going up more and more. Major resistance and positive scenario to the upside. Okay, let's check the next thing, guys. What's going on here? That's not all. No, that's not all. I have some interesting stuff here for you. You can see on the downside the shoulder head shoulder inverse, but in my opinion, it's not a nice scenario. It's not a nice pattern for the moment. I will show you a better one maybe. So this is the 4-hour time frame. We saw the death cross here, and yes, we are going back up to the red line. Let's move out to the weekly. I will show you some interesting stuff on the weekly. I'm removing all indicators, removing all drawings. Now I will show you what's my opinion for the next weeks for February. Because guys, if we are watching this, if we are watching the MACD, the MACD, let me show you what's the big problem in my opinion. On the weekly time frame, every candle is 1 week. What can we see here? We are building more and more red candles to the downside. What do we need, guys? We need a same picture as on as we saw here on April and July. We need now downgoing candles. We need now light red candles, like this point here. We saw here a consolidation phase like this one here, and we saw here growing candles from this point, and after this we went back up and back up more and more and more. For the moment we are still growing. So the big question is, can we see now a next candle that is not growing on the weekly time frame? Can we see maybe a light red candle? For the moment it's not here. For the moment we need to see something like this one, but you can see we are still growing. That's bad. That's really, really bad. We have still time to close this weekly candle 1 day and 17 hours. Maybe if we are going up here more and more and more, maybe we will see here a better candle. But for the moment, this is not the best thing to watch. We are growing to the downside. The blue line is going down under the brown line, and this is not good, guys. We need this one here, as you see here on the left side. Okay, that's one of the things what we have to watch on the weekly time frame with the MACD. We need better candles. We need light red candles and not dark red candles. We need candles that are going back to the upside. If we are watching the monthly time frame, I'm really big afraid of this picture, guys. What can we see here on the monthly time frame? Every candle is 1 month. That's easy. But we can see, and that's really bad, guys. We saw here, let me show you, a nice bullish pump to the upside, and we saw growing candles to the upside. What was the next picture? Downgoing candles, downgoing candles, downgoing candles, and now we have the first red candle. This will close in 2 days and 17 hours, this candle. And if we will see this closing as a red candle to the downside, this is really bearish, guys. This is the start of a bear trend in the monthly time frame. Really bad. A lot of guys are asking me, Biti, are we in a bear trend or in a bull trend? Guys, it's easy to see, because if you are watching the monthly candle, you can see we are starting maybe now the bear trend. So the big question is, here, look at this. We saw, or we see now, the cross also, a bearish cross of the MACD, first red candle to the downside. The big question is, guys, can we fight back? Yes or no? In my opinion, this is really important now to make a prediction for February 2022. This is really important now, if we can see this fight back to the upside, yes or no. This red candle here to the downside is a really bad, horrible movie like Stephen King's It, or something like this one. So we need now a back upcoming candle to the upside, maybe like this one. But guys, if we are coming up a little bit, we need a back upcoming candle. We need to make a higher one, not a lower one. So that's the next big thing. We need higher candles, and that must be a big move to the upside, a really big move to the upside, maybe 50,000 or something like this. So for the moment, the monthly time frame is a bad, horrible movie. And yes, we need to watch this. Let's move on with the next thing. Let me show you the next stuff here. So here it is. Back again to the weekly candle. We saw here the MACD cross. This was this candle. After this, we went down here really hard. And yes, you can see it. We are not making a lower candle. We are making a higher candle. And that's also really bad. I told you this, guys. So let's check the next stuff and let's go into the 50-minute time frame. Let's go directly into the action. What can we see in the 50-minute time frame? It depends always what time frame are you trading. Now we are trading the 50-minute time frame. We have a nice parallel channel to the upside. This is this parallel channel. As long as we are staying in this one, everything is fine. And you can see on the downside are always the best buy-in positions if we are hitting the parallel channel to the downside. These are always nice trading opportunities to make a trade and the stop loss position under the trade. And we are going up really, really nice. But today I will not show you this one here. It's not so important. Today I promised you guys I will show you the future. So let's zoom out a little bit more. First of all, no, let me show you this one. We saw here a maybe shoulder, head, shoulder. It's not from the table, but it's not so beautiful for the moment. It still can work, guys. It still can work. But I would like to show you another story. Let me show you in the detail what is this. And this is maybe also an inverse shoulder, head, shoulder. Let me show you. A left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. Not the best picture, I know it, but it's possible. And this line now. We have now this resistance line to watch. If we can fight back this resistance line, we may see a breakout of this inverse little shoulder, head, shoulder on the 50-minute time frame. From the downside is coming this line. That's the support line. And now the big question is, and I think we will see this in the next few hours, can we break out to the upside here or will we break down more? And I think, guys, this is maybe the next beginning of the future for February, because if we can break out to the upside, we may see a nice pump to the upside. But if we will break down again here, we may close our red candle in the monthly time frame. Remember, in a red position, and this is really, really bad. And maybe we are going down here really hard. But let's be positive. Let's be bullish. Let's be a moon boy. And let me show you, as a moon boy from Dubai. No, I'm not from Dubai. But let me show you some bullish stuff here. Not always a bearish stuff from Biti. I can see clickbait is everything, and if I will show you targets to the moon, I will become 100 views. If I'm showing you targets to the downside, I will become 20 views. So let's be a bullish moon boy, guys. I think you need this. No, I'm a really Biti informant. I will show you both sides. Let me show you first of all this one. We have here 40,100 to the upside. That's the bad bearish downtrend on a 1 hour time frame. It depends always. What are you trading? Are you trading the 1 hour time frame or the 50-minute time frame or the 4 hour or the day? And you can see a little uptrend in the 50-minute time frame, a bad uptrend in the 1 hour time. So let's go out. What is going on in the 4 hour time frame? And this is one of the bigger pictures what I'm watching now for the future. And that's a big hope, in my opinion, what I'm showing you now, because this big hope is maybe the start of the pump what we need in February. I hope for this. Let's be a bullish bit. So, okay, we can make one thing, guys. We can make here a parallel channel. And the parallel channel is starting on the left side here. Let me show you. On this point and ending with this point on the right side. And we are drawing it to the downside to the lowest point. And this was one of the things why I made a buy position here. And I bought on the downside. And I made a really nice long position here with 15%. So the big question is, how long can this parallel channel to the upside hold? For the moment, it is holding. For the moment, everything is okay. But if we will lose this parallel channel, guys, I have really bad targets to the downside, about 30,000, about 15,000, maybe about 10,000 if you see the M pattern, guys. Okay, no, let's do not talk about the bad targets. Let's talk about this one. Maybe we can see in February a nice pump to the upside like this one. Let's be a bullish Biti and let's hope for this one. And now we have to make a price prediction. I promised you a price prediction for February. Now we have a lot of stuff. We have a lot of parallel channels. We have a lot of things. And now we can make maybe the next price prediction. So what's going on? Before we make the price prediction, relative strength index. We need to watch it. Why? It's really important if you are in a trade for the moment, or if you would like to make a trade here, it's really important. EMA ribbon band and moving average. So what is telling us this story in the 50-minute time frame? Look at this. We are over the ribbon band. Yes, okay, that's nice. Here is a really nice support with the ribbon band, but we are fighting with RSI. If we are watching this one, what can we see? We saw a breakout of the RSI to the upside. Really nice. We broke out to the upside, so maybe we can break out more and more on the 15-minute time frame. The MACD is also a nice bullish stuff on the 50-minute time frame. We're buying more and more green candles. We saw a cross here. So 50-minute time frame, check, bullish. Okay, let's move on. What's going on in the 1 hour time frame? The 1 hour time frame is showing us this picture here. MACD, a really hard fight, and we can see we are going down with the green candles. This one here, not good, not good. Maybe we're buying the next red one if we will see a cross. So really important to watch the 1 hour time frame. Really important to watch this resistance line, because we are fighting with this resistance line since long time. We have a support to the upside and a lot of space to the downside. On this support line. So if we will see a cross here, attention, this will be the start of our future, guys. If we are watching the 4 hour time frame and the RSI like this one, what can we see for the moment? We are really close to the RSI line. Attention, really close to the resistance line, and maybe we start our dump from here. It's possible. We have the support line to the downside and we need to hold this. So the big question is, can we break out to the upside or to the downside? And the MACD on the downside is telling us, yes, we are still bullish here. We are piling more and more green candles. Everything is okay. For the moment, we have the first light green, but okay, for the moment, everything is okay. Everything is possible if you're watching the MACD on the downside. The daily chart, the daily time frame, what's telling us this one? And here it is, the first green candle. Yes, we can make up a bottle beer. The first green candle is here, a nice cross on the downside on the daily time frame. RSI, the resistance is going down, and this is really the next dangerous stuff, guys. We are fighting with this RSI. Important, the daily time frame. Can we see a breakout over the RSI? Yes or not? Over this resistance point. It's so important. Yes, we have the first green candle on the downside, but it's so important to break out over this red resistance. Take deep breath. The weekly time frame. The weekly time frame, I showed you the MACD. Yes, it is not the best picture. We are buying more and more red candles. We have a big resistance to the downside. This is this one here. And if we are making a line from here to here, what can we see? The bad news, we broke our support to the downside. We broke our support and we are for the moment retesting this with a little pump to the upside. Maybe retesting now the support, and after this, bam, down to the downside. But okay, guys, I am bullish Biti now. I will show you maybe a next possible price prediction for 2022. I promised it, and now here it is. We are starting in the 4 hour time frame. We are maybe predicting the price about up to end of February, like this point here, and we would like to see a price prediction for this one. So what do we make? We use the price prediction for CoinCodex. What is going on here with this one? Yes, first of all, we can see February the 5th, 41,000. So what can we make on February the 5th? We can make a price label on 41,000. Here it is, something like this one. So maybe we are going up until the end of the week to this point here to 41,000 to this price. So let's move on. What's telling us the prediction for the next days after this? And we will see here maybe a nice jump to the upside. February the 9th, 42,000. February the 9th, 42,000. Let's make also a price label. Here it is, the 9th. Yes, here it is. So maybe a price up to this. Okay, nice. What's going on next? The prediction is telling us, okay. Oh, nice. We will see nice targets here. Nice targets, 50,000, back to 50,000, and until February the 28th, we will see 47,000. So maybe we will see a jump up to 51,000. February 21st. February 21st, and let's make a price label here. Perfect, 51,000. So this is a maybe possible price prediction from CoinCodex for February. And guys, is it possible to see a move like this? Yes, it is. For the moment, everything is looking not so nice. For the moment, everything is looking bad to the downside, but let's make a bullish price prediction, not a bearish one. Guys, maybe we can draw now the future. Let me try. We saw the pattern here on this point. Let me make a bars pattern from here to here. We saw a nice pump to the upside, and let's take a look about this, if this can work. No, for the moment, this is not the nicest thing. You can see it's too stall here. We need a more sideways going thing, not like this one here. So this pattern is not working. Let me remove it and let me show you this one here. I think this one can better work here from here to here. We can use this pattern here for breaking out to the upside. And yes, this is fitting perfectly. Look at this pattern. So guys, we are drawing now the future. Is this nice? We are reading our coffee cup. We are reading our magic glass thing here. And what can we see? Maybe a price pattern now like this. A price pattern like this would show us a perfect pattern, a future pattern, a future shoulder, head, shoulder, and inverse with a nice trend line to the upside like this one. And guys, this would be a really nice move to the upside. It's fitting perfect, too perfect, yes, I know it, but maybe we see a breakout over this trend line, a retest, and after this a price like 51,000. What is the technical target for this future shoulder head shoulder? It's a future shoulder head shoulder. Let me show you. It's maybe here a price about this point. 59,000. Let me tell it 60,000 maybe in March. It's a possible price move. It's also here the nice resistance line to the upside. It's fitting too perfect, guys. It's fitting really too perfect. This is the big resistance now here on the upside because we saw a lot of fight, VPVR and so on is here on the biggest point. And maybe we can see a breakout to 59,000, 60,000 again with this inverse, maybe inverse future shoulder head shoulder. Guys, I promised you I will show you a possible future for February. This is a possible future. This predicting us Coin Codex. And yes, it's looking really nice in my opinion. I would say perfect. If this will work, perfect. We will see this in the next videos, guys. I will show you this, what's going on with the prediction. If this is okay or not, we will show it. I will show it to you in every next video. I will make every day a new video. You know it, guys. Every day a new update from your Biti. And this was the price prediction for February 2022. Guys, thanks for watching. Please let me know it in the comments. What are you telling me? If this is possible, yes or no? Will we see something like this or will we go down? Please write it in the comments, guys. Thanks for watching. Your Biti, your Bitcoin trader.
System activated.